Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your game being way too dark of course, Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! So, as you can see, I'm in this cave right now and it's very, very dark. So maybe if I will step outside it will be better, but no, it's still almost as dark as if you were underground. If you have the same problem, here's the fix. You want to go into Options menu by heading into the pause menu and then clicking Options. Now, you want to navigate into Video, and under Video tab, under Frame Rate Cap and Screen Scale, we should see our brightness. Click it, and now we can see that, oh, yeah, that makes sense, it is set to 10%, at least in my case. So you want to simply bump up this value to even something like this. And by the way, the 100% is set by default. If we go into Reset Defaults, you can see that this is the default 100% brightness, and now everything is as bright as the team Terry intended. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.